Contribution of Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Early scientists were amateurs and not the professional scientists. Some of the investigators suspected the existence of microbes before their observation. Girolamo Fracastoro of Verona, 1546, and Anton von Plenses of Vienna speculated the role of microorganisms as causative agents of disease. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, pioneer of microbiology. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, 1632-1723. However, the most significant figure in the history of microbiology was Antony van Leeuwenhoek, 1632-1743 A.D., who was the first observer and narrator of microbial life. Early life: birthplace, Delft, Holland. Professions: linen merchant, town hall janitor, and official wine taster. Lens grinding. Developed a hobby of lens grinding around 1657, inspired by his use of magnifying glasses for inspecting cloth fibers. His microscopes: construction, ground lenses and mounted them between thin silver or brass metal plates to create simple microscopes. Design: objects were placed on the top of a blunt pin and focused with the help of screws. Output: constructed about 50,300 microscopes, with magnifications ranging from 50 to 300 times, offering excellent resolution. He had an insatiable curiosity about the natural world. He observed the microorganisms carefully and described them accurately. This made him one of the founders of microbiology. Observations and studies: specimens examined, rainwater, river water, pepper infusions, saliva, dental matter, and feces. Discoveries: observed and described animalcules, tiny animals, including bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. Documentation: provided detailed drawings and descriptions of microorganisms, such as rods, spheres, and spirals. Founder of bacteriology: observed and documented various bacteria. Founder of protozoology: first to observe protozoa. Founder of embryology: studied the microscopic structure of seeds, plant embryos, and small invertebrates. Founder of animal histology: discovered spermatozoa and red blood cells, and described structures such as scales in skin, the crystalline lens of the eye, and muscle striations. Recognition and legacy: limited education. Despite having little formal education and no knowledge of English, Leeuwenhoek's work gained international recognition. Royal Society: invited by the Royal Society of England to share his research. Wrote about 300 letters in Dutch, which were translated into English and published. Fellow of the Royal Society, elected as a Fellow in 1680, a position he held until his death in 1723. Limitations. Succession: failed to create a next generation of microbiologists, resulting in a lapse of about a century in the advancement of microbiology after his discoveries.